Discover how to set up a workflow that sends LinkedIn messages and connection invites automatically based on custom rules. Automate your LinkedIn outreach with a smart workflow that sends connection requests and personalized messages automatically based on custom rules. This tool helps professionals, marketers, and recruiters save time, engage with their network efficiently, and maintain consistent communication without manual effort. The automation can be customized to target specific audiences, schedule messages, and track responses, improving networking and lead generation outcomes. Click to review or set up how your LinkedIn contacts are selected for messaging automation. Configure the message content and automate personalized LinkedIn outreach at scale. n8n automate contacts from active campaigns who are due for a message, never messaged or enough time passed and under the max limit. For each, get the next message in the sequence. If it's empty, skip. If valid, send it. On success, increment the contact's message count, update their last message date, and set the campaign's last sent date to today. Easily update which contacts to target by editing your SQL selection criteria. Automate sending LinkedIn connection requests with message to grow your professional network effortlessly. Thank you for your interest.